Girl, bye. Love you. Hello everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video. A video. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Nothing specific. I just came on here with these berry looks and burgundies and little glitter in the tear duct, you know, inner tear duct. Look. Get into it. Because you know, like I said, the fall is here. And you bring out the berries, the browns. Yeah. And, you know, you can still do the other colors too. But I you know, kind of go with the flow. Alright, guys. I ain't going to keep this intro long. As I always say, and I end up keeping it long. I don't have any new products. Not of yet. They're on the way. And plus, I don't have anything new for my website, but still go check it out. But I will be adding some more stuff. It is on the way in behind the scenes or whatever, guys. I appreciate all the support that I am getting. And guys, what else I put it? Of course, y'all know what time it is. It is yes. Y'all know I'm going to always add that. And the question that God put in my spirit is, where is your priority? Because sometimes we put our priority too much into other things. And we get so consumed with it that we lose the sight that God is our priority first, so He can direct us where we're going. So I did it, and I know y'all did it, that we get so consumed in our life and certain things in our life that it keeps us off course. And if we focus and put God a priority first, it ain't easy to walk the walk with God. He never said it was going to be easy. But it can be if you just listen to Him and follow His path. Okay? So I ain't going to preach to y'all. I'm just going to go ahead on with the scripture. And the scripture is Luke 24 through 34. I'm not going to read all that. I'm going to read to, because you're going to get the gist. If you want to go back and read Luke 12, 22 through 34, you can go ahead and read the whole thing. But I'm going to stop at, I'm going to stop at 25. Okay? And okay guys, it reads, do not be anxious. And He said to His disciples, therefore I tell you, do not be anxious about your life, what you will eat, nor about your body, and what you will put on. For the life is more than food, and the body more than clothing. Consider the ravens, they neither sow nor reap. They have neither storehouse nor barn, and yet God feeds them. Oh, how much more value are you than the birds? 25. And which of you, by being anxious, can add a single hour to his lifespan? So you can just read on with that to again to 34. It's Luke 12, 22 to 34. Okay? So God is basically telling us, do not be anxious, because He got us. Put your priority to Him, and He will put everything, every need, and some of our wants right in place for us. But we have to stop running from Him, because at these times, the way this world is today, we need Him. And God's not playing. Y'all, He's really not playing. He's showing us so much stuff. And He wants us to get our land right. Because His land, this earth, it's perfect. It's fine. He made it. But our land is the one that's jacked up. And one day I might read a poem that I wrote about that. But Guys, I'm not going to keep this intro long. I just want to let y'all know I truly, truly love y'all. I really do. I take nobody for granted, even though I don't know all of y'all personally, but I feel like I have a personal relationship with all my subscribers. I love and I pray for y'all. And I hope y'all do the same for me, because I have my time. I do. But I just want to let y'all know that I love y'all truly. And we're going to get on with this video and let y'all see this beautiful look that I have right here. Bougie. Alright guys. Alright, on to the video.
Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm late. Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. Hey, yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm late. Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly. With that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly. With that highlight and big lashes on your eye.
I just wanted to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.